Hi everyone, it's Sandy and welcome to my channel. In this video I have a really fun project I want to show you all, and also how you can make one of these as well. So I love my coffee and I also love tea, and I have a lot of assorted tea leaves, and I've got these tea bag pouches. And these tea bag pouches, what you do is you just pour your favorite tea leaves, get a spoonful and then pop them inside the pocket, and then pull the string, and then your tea bag is ready for you to make your cup of tea. And then what I thought of doing was altering the front of the tea bag pouch and then using the pocket to add your little fun gift. And I thought they'd be great for your happy mailing. Also, if you want to add a little gift for a teacher's gift, or favors for hen's night, or anything you like. These would be great little gift pouches. And then you have fun decorating the front of it. It's nice and light as well. And I'll show you the ones that I've made. Well, the ones I've got two sizes here. I've got this size, and then I've got a little tiny smaller tea bag pouch for your smaller tea bags. So what I've made were these little tea bag pouches, and I altered them. This is the smaller one, and then I've placed some beads on the string. I embellished the front with some trim. This is a deer die that I have, and I used a glitter foam and some trim. And then on the inside of the little tea bag pouch, I'll place some assorted tags in there and a pom-pom trim. I mean, this is just an idea of what you could put in there, but you can put whatever you like. So that's one of the smaller ones. This is the other smaller one. This is really pretty. I love this one. It's nice and dainty. Again, a crocheted heart fabric trim there. Embellish that with some more embroidery flowers. These are some beads again, and one of my word sentiments. And in the little pouch, I've got a altered paper clip that I made with white satin ribbon, and that goes in there nicely. And on the back here, I layered it with some scrap fabric that I had as well. And then I adhered all of my embellishments with these glue dots. These glue dots are fantastic, great to adhere embellishments onto fabric, paper. It's mess free. It's really strong. You don't need to use a hot glue gun. And I'm going to show you how to make one of these with these glue dots as well. And I'll just show you the other two that I made. These are with the larger pockets. And I've got a Prima flower here. I've layered it with some lace and some trim. Again, my word sentiment. And these are just my heart shaped paper punch. And then I just adhered them back to back to decorate the end of the string. And on the inside of that one, I've got a altered paper clip that I've made. And then I just placed some charm dangles on the end of the clip and some leftover lace from that trim that I had here. It's a fun little gift. I think these are really cute and great to just add a little something to one of your crafty friends. Again, even for a teacher's favour gift, or you can make it into a Christmas theme, anything you like. Again, this is the larger size as well. I did a few layering with this one. I put glue dots. It's got some tulle, some organza ribbon, one of my flower embellishments, another Prima flower, a sway tassel on the end here. And on the inside of this one, I made a packaging and shaped it into a tea bag. And then I put some string to close it and a foam dot, and you just open it like that. And on the inside, I've just placed some sequins, not sequins, they're like bugle beads, or you can put whatever you like, and they're just inside a little seal bag, and it's just a nice little gift for you. You can put some little paper punch shapes into your little packaging in there, and I thought that's a great way to add that and shape your little packaging into a tea bag. And that goes in there. Well, it will go in. So I won't put it in now, but I'm going to show you how you could make one of these really quickly. So I'm going to make one. I'll do the smaller one, which is like this one here. and this is using the smaller size. It's a 5 by 7, I think, the size of this bag. And I'm going to use these glue dots, and I'm going to show you how to use them. It comes in a roll, and I'll put the link down below if you are in Australia where you can purchase these. If you are international, I'm not sure where you can purchase these, but I know that these are all over the world, these glue dots, so you can find them online. Alright, so these are how the glue dots, they come in a roll, and I'm going to use the same heart crocheted embellishment, and all I'll do here is I'm going to just find one of the glue dots, and I just press my embellishment onto that glue dot just like that, and then peel it off, or it will peel off onto your embellishment, and then you just place it where you'd like it. Now the good thing with this is once it's on, it's on. It can be a bit difficult to pull off once you've got it where you want it, so that's all there is to that. You can add more glue dots around here if you like to keep it down, but I like the way that it sort of stays loose. And then I'm going to add one of my little embroidery flowers. Again, grabbing another glue dot, I just place that on there like that, press it down and peel it off, and then place it where I'd like to place it, which I'll place it in the middle of my heart. And that's just about done. I'm just going to finish it off with my word sentiment. I will use my liquid glue for this one because the glue dots are a little bit wide, but you can still use it. You just fold the excess bit of glue in, but I'm going to use my glue for this one. If my glue comes out of my bottle, I forgot to put the lid on there last night, so alright, my glue won't come out, so I'm going to use the glue dot. Actually, I'm going to use this little one here. It's on a glue dot runner, so I'm just going to place. They're really tiny glue dots. I use these for my sequins, and I'll also show you how I use them on my sequins. So I'm just going to put one on one end there, peel that off, and then it's already stuck on there, and I'll just grab another one to place on the other end. Just pull it, just pull that and put it on that side, press that down, so it's already stuck on my word. I'm just going to place it here. Normally I would use my liquid glue for this one, but it still works. So I'll just place that there. And then I'm just going to grab one of my sequins, just like I have here. And then these glue dots are perfect size for your sequins. I'm just going to pull it out, grab my sequins, place it onto that glue, and then peel it off. And it's done. And it will stick on there quite well too. So that's ready to go, and then you can add whatever you like to the end or leave it as it is. So that one's done, and I'll just do another one quickly with the larger size, just to show you again with the glue dots how easy it is to use your glue dots. So I'll just grab another one. I'm going to use this organza scrap that I have. I'm just going to fold that in half, place it on here, and then just trim off the ends. So if you have scraps of fabric or anything, it's great to just layer them up and just decorates it a little bit more. I'm just going to place that like that, peel that off, and just place it on there. And I'm going to grab one of my Prima flowers. I love my Prima flowers. I get my Prima flowers from Sassy Scrappers. I'll also put the link to their store down below. They have a great range of all the Prima flowers as well. So that's okay. So I'm going to place one of my Prima flowers to the back of the glue dots. I know they also come with their own, but I also like to secure it with some more adhesive. and that's all there is to that. So I just want to show you guys how fun it is to create these altered tea bag pouches. Now I will have these listed in my store for you if you wanted to purchase these. You'll get 12 pieces if you wanted to of some large ones, and there'll also be a listing for the smaller size as well if you wanted to purchase those. Or if you like, I will have them in a kit. This is how they look like in my store. What you'll get is you will get 5 of the larger size, 5 of the smaller size. You'll get some glue dot strips for you to use, some tulle. You'll also get some of the embellishments that I've shown you in the video here for you to have a go with that, and some of my word sentiments, some of the heart shape that I punched out, and also a tassel. So you'll have this as a kit if you want to purchase this in my store. I will only have 6 of these listed at the moment. Because I work full-time, they do take time for me to put a kit together. So I have made 6 at the moment for you if you wanted to purchase the kit. And then you can add the rest of your embellishments, how you want to decorate. But this is a little starter kit. And also with that, for the month of July, I did mention it in my last video. For the month of July, you will receive another free kit to go in your purchases for any order that you purchase in my Etsy store, and you will get a random printed gift bag for you to assemble with a matching tag and a couple of my word sentiments. And the gift bag looks like this one. That's the size, and this is the matching tag, and I've already pre-scored all the lines for you and cut it out, so all you need to do is assemble it and glue it together. And then you can also use this as a template for your own measurements. I did a video showing you with these 2 cute little ones using a 6x6 paper, and you can make 2 of these. So if you wanted to see how I assembled the gift boxes, which is similar to this one, you can head over to that video, and then you can see how to put this gift box together. I'll put the link down below of that video for you as well. So if you do make a purchase, you will receive this cute little gift bag for you to assemble, and I'll have these kits listed, 6 of these available in stock, and then I'll also have these listed separately in the large and the small as well. So I wanted to show you guys this fun altered tea bag pouch. Is really pretty once you've embellished it. So I wanted to show you guys on this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.